Okay, so for anyone that has a second gen Silverado, if you ever have to replace the battery, some things you need to know that I learned when doing this. So obviously, as you can see here, there's this bracket that's in the way, so you gotta take that off. But then you also have to take off this bracket because there is a bolt way down there that you have to get to, and the only way to get to that is by taking this bracket off. So for anyone that needs to replace a battery on a second gen Silverado, you gotta remove that bracket and this bracket in order to get to that bolt to take out the battery.